Hello students, today we are going to see about the step-by-step fraction, that is about the case 9. So in this problem, when you see here 1 divided by x plus 1 by y plus 3 by z plus 1 by 5, that is equal to 17 by 46. You're going to find 3x plus 2y minus z. You're going to find it over here. Now let's solve step by step over here. So when you come to the first step 1, so in the step 1, I will be writing the reciprocal of this number, that is 17 upon 46. I'll write the reciprocal. You will be getting 46 upon 17. For this you will be writing the mixed format. The mixed format, I'll get 2 12 by 17. So when you write in the mixed format here, this 2 indicates your the x value. Then next comes to your step 2. When you come to your step 2 over here, I'm going to write the reciprocal of the next to the whole number. You have 12 by 17, right? That you will write the mixed fraction. Before writing the mixed fraction, try to write them in the reciprocal. Then you're going to write them in terms of the mixed fraction over here. So I'll explain once again, students. Step 1, take the 17 by 46, write the reciprocal, convert them into the mix. In that whole number part will be your x. Then 12 by 17, reciprocal it and write them in terms of the mix format. In that the whole number part will represent your y you will be getting here. Now straight away to the y here, you're getting the number 3. So now in your step 3, what you're going to do here, it is you will be writing the reciprocal of 5 by 12 and multiply by 3. That is your step 3. So 5 by 12, if I reciprocal, I'll be getting 12 by 5. That into 3, I'll be getting here 36 by 5. I'll be getting here. This 36 by 5 will be equated with z plus 1 by 5. That is in your step 4 calculation you will be performing. That is 36 by 5 is equal to z plus 1 by 5. So 36 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to z. So I'll be getting 35 by 5 is equal to z. So my z value results over here, it is 7 will result here. So now I got all the values here, x, y, z. So next priority is to substitute it over here. So when I substitute over here 3, this 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 7, which results in here 6 plus 2 minus 7, that is 8 minus 7, I'll get here as 1. So this is my answer for the first problem. Now let's move on to the second problem over here. The second problem, when you observe here, all the numerator parts are 1. It's not any other number, right? So in this case also you will be following the same set of steps to be followed over here. Now let's see the step 1. Step 1, what I told you, you have to write the reciprocal of 19 by 52. So when you write the reciprocal, I'll be getting here 52 by 19. Then write the mixed number format, that is 214 by 19. When you write them here, this 2 represents your x value over here. The next second step, what you will do here, you will be writing the reciprocal of 14 by 19, right? That is 19 by 14 reciprocal. Then convert them into the mix. You get 1, 5 by 14. After doing this, this 1, the whole number part indicates your the y value over here. Then write the reciprocal of 5 by 14. When you write 5 by 14, I'll get 14 by 5. That will be equated to this full set of z plus 1 by 3 you have to do. The next step, what you will do, you will solve it for z value to get here. So 14 by 5 minus 1 by 3 is equal to z. LCM is 15. So into 3 into 3. So into 5 into 5. So I will be getting here 42 minus 5 by 15 is equal to z. So 37 by 15 is equal to z value. So now I got the z value also. After getting the z value, I have to substitute it over here to get my answer. So once I substitute over here, x value is 2 plus y value is 1, 4 into 1 plus 2 into 37 by 15 you will be getting here. So you will be getting here 2 plus 4 plus 74 by 15 over here, that is 6 plus 74 by 15. Then 6 into 15, it is 90 plus 74 by 15, which results here 164 by 15. So this is my answer for the second problem. Now let's see the third problem over here. So in this third problem, here I'm having here 2 in the first step itself. So in the first step itself, after completing your reciprocal, writing the mixed number, you're supposed to multiply by 2. That's very important over here. Let me help you out again with the step by step. The first thing, write the reciprocal of this, that is 29 by 11. Then write in the mixed format. After writing in the mixed format, you will know that this is your x value. Since your x value straight away I'm having here 2, you have to write the reciprocal. Reciprocal you will be writing, that is 11 by 7. After finding the reciprocal, multiply by 2, you will get 22 by 7. This 22 by 7 you are going to write in terms of the mix, that is 3 1 by 7. Then here this 3 indicates your the y value. Then next this 1 by 7 you're going to write it in terms of the reciprocal, that is 7 will be equal to z plus 1 by 2 you will be doing. So z minus 1 by 2 will be give you here as z minus 1 by 2, sorry, 7 minus 1 by 2 is equal to z. So when I solve this here, so 14, LCM is 2 into 2 into 2, 14 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to z, which is 13 by 2, which is equal to the z value. So once I get the z value, I'm allowed to substitute over here in this value to get my answer. So when I substitute over here, that is 5x minus y plus z, right? So that is 5 into 2 minus y value is 3 and z value is 13 by 2 you will be getting. So which is 10 minus 3, 7 plus 13 by 2, and LCM is 2, which is your 14 plus 13 by 2, which gives my answer is 27 by 2. This is my answer over here. So very easily we are able to solve it over here. When you keep practicing, you will be getting a faster calculation also. Hope you understood. I want you to watch the video from the beginning till the end so that you will understand what I explained in all the 3 problems over here, and also keep on practicing. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye students. Take care.